Here's how you can make
banana bread.
from Curious George.
First, we mix the dry ingredients. 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 of salt. Hit it. Now sift. When you're done, we'll combine that with this bowl of butter and eggs.
And at this point, he doesn't mention it, but I'm going to add the brown sugar, almond butter, and surprisingly, he doesn't mention the bananas, which is the key ingredient.
Let's do some mixing.
I think before I do the mixing, I'm going to remove the bananas, mix the other ingredients first, and then add in the bananas.
That's it, George. You've got the touch.
I already preheated the oven, so I'm not going to do that oven shot. I'm going to burn my camera if I put this thing in there.
Here you go. Grandpa Bernie's super secret banana bread.
Do I taste almond butter?
I honestly don't taste the almond butter. Banana is such an overpowering flavor that if you put it with anything, all you're going to taste is banana. It's like when you make a protein shake and you add banana, you don't taste anything else. It's a bit too chewy for me. It's okay. I'm not much of a baker. I'm not really a huge fan of banana bread. I like bananas in general, but if I wanted to have a banana, I would just eat it by itself. I would give banana bread a 6.7 out of 10.